Today is actually the last installment of the nail art anyway, and I am using all of the polishes that we have been talking about. So do we even really need to name them? Probably not, but I'll go ahead. So the first one was called Athlete Chic, then the orange is called Good as Marigold, the yellow is Work It Honey, the green is Grass is Lime Greener, and the teal is Yacht to Handle, and the gold is Mary Whatever. Of course, I will have those listed down in the description box below because I did just breeze through those. So I again kind of was having some camera issues and I forgot to press film before I started painting. But I started off with some white based nails. For that I used Nails Ink Whiteout. And then I moved on to starting the whole sign, which is basically a half rainbow. So I liked to start with the outer shade. So I started with the like reddish orange shade first, and then I went in with the rest of the colors and did those until I was done and ready to move on to the next step, which is what you expect / hope to find at the end of the rainbow. Although I will say I've seen the end of a rainbow and the pot of gold was not there. But that is what we are going to paint because ideally there would be a pot of gold. So I'm going to start with some black acrylic paint and I'm going to kind of put the wider edge of the pot or the top of the pot, whatever you want to refer to that, and then kind of make it come out from that a little bit at the bottom so you can tell the difference. So you kind of got a rim to it. And then after that is done, I'm going to dot in some of that gold polish to symbolize the gold into the pot of gold because that's a necessary step for this, right? And I mean, this would be great to find, but like I said, that was not the end of the rainbow that I saw, sadly. But it makes for a really cute nail art design, and I went ahead and did this on all of my nails. However, you definitely do not have to do that. You could totally do it as an accent nail, pair it with a gold and some creams, whatever you fancy, but I did do it on all of them. Also, I did finish it off with a matte top coat, which again is not necessary, but I really like how it made the nails look. I don't know why, but it also like photographed really well, I think, which is helpful for me since I was photographing the nails to show you guys. So if you guys don't care about a glare, then obviously you wouldn't care about that or not. So here's the final look. Again, I really liked this manicure. I'm glad we're ending on such a fun note to this little St. Patrick's Day series. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun, a little bit out of my element. I feel like I played on the rainbows a bit too much, but it was a lot of fun. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to continue seeing holiday kind of series like this, be sure to like and subscribe and let me know because I need to know those things so I can make them. And I think that is it. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day. I am toying with the idea of having a little bonus like behind the scenes video go up tomorrow, but we shall wait and see what happens. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!